If you want to get Steam levels for free, the good news is that you do not need to buy expensive games or spend money on level boosts. You can earn Steam experience points or XP by using free features, completing community tasks, and taking advantage of seasonal events. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most practical ways to level up your Steam account for free, step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Steam and go to your profile. From there, hover over your name at the top and click on Badges. This is where Steam shows every badge you can earn, and it is also where you can see which ones give you XP. One of the easiest free options is the Community Ambassador badge, sometimes shown as the Pillar of Community badge. This badge can give you a solid amount of XP just for completing simple actions inside Steam. Once you find the badge, click on it and look at the list of tasks. These tasks usually include things like adding a friend, posting a screenshot, writing a review, joining a Steam group, or subscribing to a workshop item. These are all basic Steam actions, and they do not cost any money. The more tasks you complete, the more the badge upgrades, and that means more XP for your account. So if you are just starting out, this is one of the first places you should check. Now let's talk about seasonal events, because this is another great free method. Steam often runs major events during the summer sale, winter sale, spring sale, and autumn sale. During these events, Steam frequently gives players free XP opportunities through discovery queues, event cards, mini-games, or special badge quests. A common method is to complete your discovery queue every day during a sale. Steam sometimes rewards event cards or badge progress just for browsing recommended games. You should also look for event quests, sticker challenges, or special badges tied to the current seasonal sale. These can award XP once you complete the required actions. Another one to watch for is Steam Next Fest. During Next Fest, you can play demos and sometimes earn badge progress just by trying different games. Even if the event changes every time, the idea is the same. Participate in free Steam activities and collect XP without paying for anything. Another easy way to gain Steam levels for free is through the Game Collector badge. Steam rewards you for simply having games in your library, including free-to-play titles and free promotional games. So if you claim free games when they are available, your library grows and your Game Collector badge can level up over time. The badge gives XP at different milestones, so every free game you add can help push your account forward. A really good habit is to keep an eye out for free-to-keep games and limited-time promotions. These can add to your total game count and help unlock more badge XP. Even if the game is something you never plan to play, simply owning it can still help your Steam level journey. So if your goal is to level up for free, it is worth grabbing legitimate free games whenever Steam or publishers offer them. Next is the Years of Service badge. This one is completely automatic. Steam rewards your account just for existing over time, and every year on the anniversary of your account creation, your badge upgrades and gives you more XP. You do not need to do anything manually for this one, but it is still an important part of long-term Steam leveling. The longer your account stays active and in good standing, the more service XP you can collect over time. Now, if you want to be a little more advanced, you can also earn badge progress through trading and free item drops. Some Steam games drop trading cards just by playing, and you can use those items to craft badges. In many cases, you get part of a card set for free simply by playing the game. If you have duplicates, you can trade them for the cards you still need, or sell marketable free drops and use the Steam wallet balance to complete badge sets later. That said, always be careful with trades and only use safe, official Steam features when possible. The goal is to level up without wasting money, and Steam's community market and badge system are the most reliable places to do that. Even small progress adds up, especially when you combine event badges, free games, and account-based badges over time. There is one very important limitation you need to know. If your Steam account is limited, meaning you have never spent at least $5 on the Steam store, your account is locked at level 0. That means you cannot earn XP until the account becomes unrestricted. So if you are wondering why your level is not increasing, that could be the reason. Once your account meets that requirement, all of these free leveling methods can start working normally. So, to quickly recap, the best free ways to get Steam levels are completing the Community Ambassador badge tasks, joining seasonal Steam events, claiming free games for the Game Collector badge, waiting for your Years of Service badge to upgrade, and using legitimate trading and badge crafting opportunities from free items. If you combine all of these methods, you can steadily level up without spending much, or in some cases, without spending anything beyond the account requirement. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next simple Steam tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.